today. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But otherwise, as you can see from the description, we have a new subscription to unbox. It is the lip service. And I'm really excited to do this one. This I found on Cratejoy, and it is only $5.95 a month. That's amazing. It's right, it's like with Earfleek, like $3.49. I mean, when you're talking $5-6 or less for a subscription, it's great, because who doesn't love getting little packages in the mail, right? But this one is for, like, it's more for chapstick or lip balm. But I do think, if I remember correctly, you may get a few other little items. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. This is for September 2018. So again, we have the lip service subscription. It is $5.95. I will make sure to link the site down below for you guys if you would like to sign up. I always have a hard time. Oh, nope. Look, I said that and it came off super, super easy. So let's see what we got. Their card or all right, I love autumn. It is that all too short season that feels like a breath of fresh air between summer and winter. This month, Lip Service is celebrating the season with a spiced apple cider lippy by Sarah Diabelli Skincare in Fairpoint, New York. I apologize, I probably completely butchered that. Check them out on Etsy. We also included a new K-Beauty sheet mask to try in case you are feeling indecisive this fall. A little magic fish. We guarantee he will be okay 50%. I'm sorry, we guarantee he will be 50% as accurate as a magic 8-ball in making choices. Okay, maybe like the lolly. He is just for fun. Is that what this little thing is? I pulled something else out. Miracle Fish Fortune Teller. And on the back it says Fortune Teller Fish. Place. Okay, so there's a little fish inside the bag. Okay. Place fish in the palm of your hand and its movements will indicate. If it's a moving head, jealousy. A moving tail, indifference. Moving head and tail, you're in love. Curling sides, fickle. Turns over, false. Motionless, a dead one. Curls up entirely, passionate. That's interesting. That'll be fun. And this must be what they meant by the lolly. Looks like a little Cookie Monster lollipop. Christopher will enjoy that. All right. So right here, red jacket, Orchard's Juicery, Farm Store, spiced apple cider lip balm, hand poured, gluten-free, cruelty-free. So this is our lip balm this month. So I'm actually wondering if this may not be October. I'm gonna go with October because I have seen some videos for September and these were not the items. So I'm guessing this is the October lip service. And then, that is yes, that is everything. Then we have the Red Ginseng Essential Mask, 100% cotton, and it is a Korean sheet mask. So who doesn't love sheet masks? So that's really awesome. I mean, just this and the lip balm, I mean, it's probably the $5.95, if not more. And then they threw in the little sucker, which, like I said, Christopher will really enjoy. And this is going to be interesting. I'm excited to see what that is all about. And I love that the card that everything was on is little apples. It's cute. So I'm happy with this. Yay for lip service. So Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And until the next video, I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.